Hello again, welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and we are back again with another video, and we hope that you enjoyed the previous videos. This year we promised you that we are going to be giving you back-to-back videos. We'll be uploading at least 2 videos in a week, so just sit back and wait to be amazed with amazing videos. And I hope you will keep supporting us by watching our videos, liking our videos, commenting and sharing, and most of all subscribing to our channel. We thank you for this far, for the support you have showed us until this far. We really appreciate. We just hope that you still keep supporting us until we get monetized. As you can see in the video, I'm just cutting out the legs. Okay, I'm measuring and cutting the legs for the floor lamp, and I'm kinda cutting them in an angle so that it will slant a bit. Yeah, I'm cutting them in an angle as you can see in the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, we are going to be making a floor lamp. Yes, we are going to be making a floor lamp as you have seen in the thumbnail above. So this floor lamp is kind of decoration item, or you can use as anything as you like. That is as a lighting or a decoration item, as a masterpiece, anything that you want. So we just decided to give you this idea to transform your space. After cutting the legs, I'm going to cut out some round pieces of wood which will act as a design or a decoration for this floor lamp. But just keep watching and you will see, or you will understand the reason why I'm cutting this and the places that I'm going to put them. And kindly tell me in the comment section below if they look good there or not. Now this is the easy part where I'm going to join all the pieces together while making the floor lamp. After that, I'm going to just spray paint a clear varnish just to give it that good looking finish after I'm done with it. Keep watching the video, like if you haven't. Yeah, and if you like this kind of content where we do this kind of DIYs, transforming items, making DIYs, and many more videos like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Now I'm using this white Manila paper. It's a 300 grams Manila paper. They are being used. Okay, if you want it, you can buy it in town. It's a 300 grams Manila paper. So I'm going to use it to make the shade, and I'm also going to use some wires that I had. That is the skeleton for the shade. And then after that I'm going to wrap it with a white piece of clothing or fabric so that it will be good. For the switch, I'm just going to be using this bed switch, of which I'm going to do a little bit of modification for it so that it will work on this floor lamp. So I'm going to be switching the side for the switch and the side to plug the bulb. I'm going to switch them so that the side for the switch will be shorter and the side for the bulb will be longer, so that I will put the head which I will use to plug in the socket. Just watch and you will understand what I'm doing. And I'm going also to use a 7 watts bulb for this project. Yeah.